titingnan natin ang palabas o pelikula na hetero o mas kilala dito sa liwayway bilang Daibo!
I would like to go on record to say that this attack is both homophobic and unjust.
Mukhang magsisimula tayo sa kontrobersiya. School photos. Nostalgic. Naalala ko. Also, gandang music, I Wanna Be With You by Chloe Moriondo. Middle finger ni Queen. Na ganyan din ako sa school namin dati sa IETI Makati. Pero binura. Nice. Kasunod ni Queen yung hot girl. Magpa-picture. Tapos nakalagay daw kung from least gayest to most gayest yung order ng picture nila. Allowed pala mag-bubble gum sa school pictures o kahit sa room lang ng eskwelahan. Allowed pala magpalubo ng bubble gum. Perfect representation. Perfectong pagkakatawan, pagre-represent. Iba't ibang lahi, hindi lang maputi, hindi lang white tulad ni Queen. Meron ding person with colors. So ito na si Cohen, the gayest, na ginampanan ni Jonah Blue. Ang ganda ng style niya, mukhang Robert Smith sa The Cure. At naninigarilyo siya sa school, sa high school. Pwede manigarilyo sa school pictures. Please report to the principal's office. So hula ko, lagi silang masasangkot sa gulo. Nice, yung title card Rainbow, bahaghari. Para hindi mo makalimutan na gay sila. High school. Na ang problema mo lang ay homework at projects at thesis.
The Bard's most famous work, Sonnet 18, a beautiful, tender ode to his lover. Oh, what a lucky girl the recipient must have been.
Excuse me? Sorry, hi. This poem isn't about a girl.
Of course it is.
Normally, hindi ako sangaan sa pagbibida-bida sa classroom. Pero dahil tigang kay William Shakespeare, ang English teacher na si Mr. Collins, deserve luho sa kanila yun dahil pinagbabawal yun sa bansa nila. Bawal nga doon BTS kasi bayot. No offense. Hindi man gay si Shakespeare, pero mukhang si Mr. Collins, oo, sinasamba talaga si Shakespeare.
It's not gay. Stop it.
Lol, kinik out niya, pinatalsik niya yung mga pinakamaraming number ng estudyante, 3 na lang natira. Para sa grupong tinatawag na Gay Straight Alliance, bakit wala silang straight na kaibigan?
We are here for Mr. Hale.
Names?
Gay.
Too gay to function.
Sarai, S-A-R-A-I, Mendes.
Zelamari?
Cohen?
First name?
Their first name is...
No, it's just Cohen.
Sorry.
It's Linda, right?
Linda, ang pinaka-baklang pangalan na narinig ko. Mickey piling importante. Kung gusto mo na example ng pride, ito na yun, yung GSA.
You have a gay straight alliance?
O diba nung di kilala group nila, bigla na Mac-U.
What was it this time?
I would like to go on record to say that this attack is both homophobic and unjust.
Oh, would that be as unjust as the time when you yelled, and I quote, "This is a gays-only event, go home"?
Alam ko, joke lang yun, pero ang dami na pala nilang beses nagbida-bida.
Accusation.
This is about the football team. I only set off those fireworks because they accused me of putting glitter in their body wash.
Did you
Kung ako si Cohen, gagawin ko rin yun. Panigurado, kasing baho ng mukha nila yung amoy nila.
Shakespeare was super gay.
Kala ko binubwisit lang nila yung English teacher na si Mr. Collins. Pero talaga palang pinipilit nilang bakla si William Shakespeare.
Far longer than any of you've been around to complain about it. He wields a considerable deal of credibility.
May credibility siya, oo, may legit siya sa pagtuturo ng English, hindi sa pagkakakilanlan ng kasarian.
Has a 3 strikes you're out policy. This is GSA's 3rd strike.
3rd strike pa lang sila.
I'm giving you a
3rd
choice.
pa lang. Ang dami na nilang nagawang kalokohan.
Your joke.
Straight people, play nice with them.
Straight people, make nice with them. True. Especially pangalan ng group nila, gay. Straight alliance.
Double your membership in 2 weeks. Stop disrupting our social functions and keep it down in our
See,
classrooms.
lagi daw sila ng gugulo,
You people
tumigil daw
need to
sila sa
pull yourselves
panggugulo ng
together.
social event at wag mag-ingay sa classroom. Di ako makapaniwalang third strike pa lang nila.
That's not fair.
The world isn't fair. Why don't you start with equal representation?
Yeah, equal representation mula sa puting lalaki. Samantala sila, si Cohen, Jewish, si Zella Marie Black, si Mickey Black, si Saray Mendez Hispanic. 2 linggo na lang magtatagal ang GSA. Paano nila madodoble ang membership nila? Walang gusto sa mga baklang bida-bida. No offense, tanong lang, no offense. Shit, ang ganda ng madramatic na music, sarap pakinggan. Nakaka-feels, na damang-dama yung kalungkutan.
No one is rushing out the front door to pick me.
Kailangan ba talagang panoodin mag-basic Queen? Teenager yan ah. Lol, gandang transition, biglang happy-happy. Biglang masaya na yung music, tas tuwang. Pero at least, hindi nalulungkot si Queen. Mukhang hindi nalulungkot si Queen. Masaya pa rin si Queen.
Quinn! Quinn! You don't get out here. I'm gonna write an expose on
So,
you.
hindi lang sila opinionado sa klase, opinionado din sila sa yung Breitbart. Doon nagsusulat ng mga articles tungkol sa sa political left-wing, right-wing. I
7.
don't agree. Hindi ako nag-agree. Hindi ako sumasangayon. Si Saray, 8.5 at least sa akin. Hindi siya a little bit average para sa akin. 8.5 si Saray.
$4, name a man you date. I'm waiting.
Timothy Chalamet? He's supposed to be cute, right?
Yeah, he does maintain homeostasis, apparently.
Kung ikaw nandidiri sa... Yung proud group nandidiri din sa inyo. Sila nandidiri sa inyo, hindi ako. Hindi ako kasali sa proud group. At yan ang part 1. Hindi ko i-upload yung reaction ng buong 1 oras para sa fair use, para di makopyright. At tandaan, gawa to ng Third Charm Films. Pumunta kayo sa channel nila, gawa nila yun. Okay, bye!